Cool. In this video, I would like to take you through how you can fix problem of not receiving calls and messages in your phone. So in case your phone is terminating calls and messages, what you need to do, you need to get into your phone contact, then get into your phone settings, which is settings which is located in the contact interface. So when you're in the contact interface, you need to click settings, which is probably in your right hand upper side or in the left hand upper side, but mine is located here. Then you need to come to where we have blocked. So in most cases, the reason why you are not able to receive calls and messages in your phone from unknown contact in most cases is because you have blocked either unknown numbers from calling you, and this problem can result to you not receiving calls from certain numbers or numbers which you have not saved. So in order to fix this problem, in most cases this option will be turned on. What you need to do, you need to turn this option off, and when you turn this option off, you have solved the problem of not receiving calls and messages in your phone, or your phone terminating calls and messages. So it is not complicated. This is the method which we usually use to fix this problem, also in the latest Android device which have this option, and you get yourself, you have turned on this option, and then people tells you that in most cases your phone terminates call and somebody cannot be able to contact you, and they claim you have blocked them. So basically, thank you for watching, and may Almighty God bless you.